kids, here we are back again with yet another surprise for you all. Excel's Kiddo Story Time. Are you all excited? Let me tell you a secret. I will introduce many friends to you. Are you ready for the story time? One day I decided to go to a forest. As I was going deep inside the forest, I saw large trees, lush green valleys, animals and birds. They were so beautiful. There was fresh breeze all around. There were beautiful clear water which tasted so good. As I was walking deeper and deeper inside the roads, inside the bushes, I saw an animal standing there, a huge animal. I was scared, but I decided to walk closer to this animal. As I was walking close to this animal, I saw it was a big elephant. The elephant had two big ears, a trunk, a small tail, a big tummy, and four big legs. I went close by to the elephant. As I reached his face, I found that he was crying. I went more close to the elephant and asked him, "Why are you crying?" The elephant was so disappointed and replied, "I have no friends. All my friends have gone, have left me. I am all alone. I don't have anyone to play with. I don't have anybody to carry me nor share anything with me. I am very upset." I felt bad for this elephant. I was wondering how could I help this elephant. Suddenly, I decided to help him, to go with him and meet different animals and ask if they could be a good friend to this elephant. So, will you all join me to find a friend for this elephant? Come on, let's go. Now, we started walking deep inside the forest. The elephant was discussing so many things about his life to me. He was a very friendly elephant. He was a very soft at heart and had a helping mind. He really wanted to help everyone. He's a good elephant. Now, as we started walking, we saw an animal with black and white stripes on his body. The elephant was pretty excited that he's going to get a friend. Suddenly, the zebra saw us. Yes, you guessed it right. It was a zebra. As we went close to the zebra, the elephant was so thrilled to ask the zebra, "Can you be my friend?" Yes, he asked the zebra. But the zebra was not very happy with this request. The zebra said, "Oh my God, you look so huge. I am scared to come close to you. I am scared to play with you because as I am playing with you, you might trample me to death. I can't take a chance. Why don't you find somebody as large as you are as a friend? But not me. I can't take that risk." And the zebra ran away. Elephant was disappointed, but he was sure with one thing, that there are so many other animals in the forest, and for sure one friend is waiting for him. we started walking slowly and slowly inside the forest. With so much of excitement, we went close to this animal and we found out that it was a horse, a very beautiful horse. The elephant was very excited and very happy and asked the horse, "Can you be my friend?" But unfortunately, the horse said, "No, I'm so sorry, I can't be your friend because you cannot run like me, you cannot jump and hop like me, you cannot escape from the enemies like how I do." The elephant was very disappointed, so disappointed, and he felt like crying. This horse said this and ran away from that place. But I made sure that the elephant will not get disappointed and told him that we will go on. We are not going to give up, we will move on. And we started walking. Now as we were walking, we heard a noise from above, from the skies. Now I just turned and looked up and found out that it was an eagle. The eagle came and sat in front of us. The eagle asked us, "Where are you both going?" We said that we are looking for a friend. And the eagle asked, "Oh, you're looking for a friend? And for whom is this?" I said, "It is for this wonderful elephant." The eagle said, "Oh, all the best, go ahead." But the elephant just wanted to give a try and asked the eagle, "Can you be my friend?" The eagle was laughing and making fun of the elephant. Eagle said, "How can you be my friend? Can you fly? Fly to so big, so much of heights like how I do? Can you touch the clouds? No, I don't think so that you can be my friend. I go to different states and different countries, but can you fly with me? No, we don't make a good friend partners. Please find somebody else." And the eagle flew away. The elephant was actually disappointed this time. He was upset. He thought that he's not going to get a friend at all in life. We started walking. Now as we started walking, we saw a ferocious tiger sitting and then watching what's happening all around. We went close to the tiger without any fear. As we went close to the tiger, the elephant asked the tiger, "Can you be my friend?" The tiger looked very scary and stared at the elephant. "Are you asking me to be your friend? Oh, that's really brave. There's nobody in this forest who is so brave to come and ask me if I can be their friend. But I'm so proud that there is somebody in this village who's brave enough to talk to me." The tiger agreed to be elephant's friend, but on one condition. Now, the condition was the tiger asked the elephant to bring all the animals whom he met on his way. The elephant asked, "Why should I bring them to you?" And then the tiger said, "You know what? I did not eat a meal from past 1 week. I am very hungry. So let me eat all those animals and then I will be your best friend." The elephant got very angry. The elephant said, "How dare you talk to me like this? I can't kill them and I can't give them to you. Now run away, you tiger. I don't want to be your friend." And the elephant chased the tiger away. Now, as we were returning back home, disappointed that by the end of the day, the elephant did not get a friend, we just walked back. But as we were walking, there was a surprise for the elephant. You want to know what is the surprise? All the animals got this news about how the elephant rescued their life, how this wonderful elephant saved the lives of those animals from the tiger. They were so happy with the elephant. They all came close by to the elephant and told the elephant, "You are our best friend. We all denied you, but still you were so loving elephant that you did not allow us to die. You did not allow the tiger to kill us. And finally, all of them became the best of friends. Come on, children, now tell me, what do you learn from this story? You have to be good to everyone, no matter they harm you, no matter they do anything bad to you. But you have to make sure that you will be good to everyone. Love everyone, care everyone, and be good in life. Okay? Thank you so much.